Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar for 8 April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9th April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of AUD USD, and as you can see, another not so pretty chart in front of us right now. Okay, the chart is all not that pretty, and if you just look at the chart for a second, then you won't get a clear picture. Okay, it's not it. The chart is not that pretty. Okay, let's try to have a prettier look. This is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. Okay, from the 4 hours chart, we are switching to weekly chart to have a uh, bigger picture, to know the bigger picture what is going on. So we can see that previous week market has formed a doji kind of a pattern with price rejection from below, and this week market has formed a small green candle. So we can see that there is no prominent demand or supply zone or any support or resistance available for us as of now. So weekly chart is not giving us any crucial points. And this is the overall chart of AUD USD. This is the chart for more than 2 months. Okay, for since January, I guess. Since January, this is the chart of AUD USD. And one of my subscribers today told me that he is seeing a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. Yeah, he is true, because this is, if we consider this as the head and this as the right shoulder and this as the left shoulder, then this is kind of a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so in a head and shoulder pattern, what do? You just short the market when market will be going or crossing this level. Okay, so this is the level that you need to keep your eyes on. When market will cross this particular level, but and you can easily short the market. But I would like to mention one thing here. Okay. This is the head and shoulder pattern right now. Okay, we are seeing head and shoulder pattern. This is the 4 hours chart. Okay. Let's switch to 1 hour time frame now. If I switch to the 1 hour time frame, then the head and shoulder pattern is gone. So to be very honest, this is the main problem with the chart patterns. That's why I do not prefer to trade on chart patterns, because see that these things changes from time frame to time frame. Suppose I'm seeing trend reversal in 1 hour time frame. Probably you are seeing trend continuation in the 4 hours time frame. So these things vary a lot, and this is the main problem with us, because we get confused which time frame we should choose and which time frame we should avoid. So this is the example you can take. In the 4 hours time frame, there was the head and shoulder pattern, but in this 1 hour time frame, we are not seeing the head and shoulder pattern. So as a result, okay, we are confused right now. Okay, but because yeah, he's true, this is the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is the head and shoulder pattern, but what do we need to do? Because if I switch to, because right now I'm in a 1 hour time frame, and as per the 4 hour time frame, the head and shoulder pattern is there, and we may get a good opportunity to short the market. But if I look at the 1 hour time frame, the head and shoulder pattern is gone, and you may get a opportunity to buy the market, and you will be making good money. Okay, because this will be your target. So what you should do right now, because this is a very typical confusion in any market of the world, because we do not know which time frame to choose. Okay, therefore I, if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that that's why I prefer to trade from level to level, from support to resistance, and resistance to support. Because see, because I believe, and we already know, that there are certain levels in the market that do not change, irrespective of that time frame. For example, let's look at this weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, and we can see that market reverse from here. Okay, market reverse from here. So whether you, right now we are using the 1 week time frame. So in the 1 week time frame, we can see the prices reverse. The same thing will also be available in the 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, or 30 minutes time frame. Okay, you switch to any time frame, this particular trend reversal will always be available. Okay, therefore I believe, yes, if you trade on chart patterns, mm, then you must be a little bit careful. Okay, you must be a little bit careful, and you must have some proper knowledge. Okay, and if you are a complete beginner, then at first try to learn the concept of support and resistance, demand and supply, then only you should switch to the concept like chart patterns. Anyways, let's see what we should do and what can we do today. You can see I am drawing two lines here. Okay. So as of now, we can see that if we just consider this particular portion only, okay, if we just consider this particular portion, we can see the market is in a range right now. Okay, this is acting as the resistance, and this level is acting as the support. So let the market go up. Okay, let the market go up now, and just observe the price when market will reach this particular level. Okay, reach this particular level. If you see that market is struggling or price struggles at this particular level, you can short the market. Okay, in the short term market, you can easily make some quick money. But do remember, you need the confirmation. Confirmation can be in the form of a hammer, sorry, shooting star, price rejection from above. Okay, you can short the market here if you see trend reversal or price reversal from here, because there is a resistance here. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, if market crosses this level, then you can go for a buy order here also. But do remember, let the market trade for at least 3 to 4 hours above this level. Let the resistance become this support, then only you should execute the order. On the other hand, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down, then just observe the price when it will be near this level. Okay, this level. If you see price is getting rejected from below and it is about to bounce back from here, you can go for a buy above this level. And if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then you can short the market, can easily short the market here. And actually the subscriber also told me the same thing, that he will be shorting the market below this level. Okay, whether you follow any chart pattern or any support resistance, you will get a good opportunity to short the market here. Okay, and if you're following, or if you're also seeing head and shoulder pattern, then this is also a very good position to short the market. Okay, but do remember, there should be confirmation. Okay, just wait for 3 to 4 hours and just let the market trade below this level. Okay, if you see that market is really trading below this level, the support has become the resistance, now you can short the market. Okay, so be careful, and hopefully you have understood what you need to do. Okay, let the market either reach this level or this level, then only you should execute the order. Hopefully you have understood. So that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.